नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं विनय शर्मा आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं हमारे YouTube चैनल ऑनलाइन बोर्ड में। तो आज हम बात करेंगे बैंक एग्ज़ाम्स में आए हुए कुछ जनरल वोकेबलरी के बारे में। एब्डिकेट, टू गिव अप पोजीशन और पावर, टू रिनाउंस ए थ्रोन, ए हाई ऑफिस और डिग्निटी। किसी पद या शक्ति को त्यागना। सिनोनिम्स है इसका रिलिंक्विश, रिजाइन। एग्जाम्पल, पाकिस्तान पीएम इमरान खान विल हैव टू एब्डिकेट हिज चेयर सूनर लेटर, बिलावल भुट्टो। एब्ज्योर, फॉर्मली रिजेक्ट और फॉर्मली हेल्ड बिलीफ। औपचारिक रूप से पूर्व में मान्य धारणा को अस्वीकार करना। सिनोनिम्स है रिकांट, फोर्सवियर। एग्जाम्पल, इन ए सोबर सेरेमनी सिया एब्जर्ड हर ओल्ड रिलीजन एंड embraced Christianity. Abrupt, sudden and unexpected, rude, extremely sharp. Synonyms, precipitous, discourteous. Example, US North Korea nuclear talks came to an abrupt end. Abscond, to depart secretly or hide oneself. चुपके से प्रस्थान करना या खुद को छुपाना। सिनोनिम्स, फ्ली, एस्केप। Example, WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange has been sent to 50 weeks jail for absconding while on bail. Abstruse, difficult to comprehend. समझने में मुश्किल। Synonyms, recondite, esoteric. Example, in the beginning the script seemed abstruse, but later I liked it a lot. Bhumi Padnekar. Accede, to give consent to attain or resume office. कार्यालय को प्राप्त करना या ग्रहण करने के लिए सहमति देना। सिनोनिम्स, असेंट। एग्जाम्पल, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल अर्ज्ड दैट गुरुजी वेंट टू कश्मीर टू गेट महाराजा हरि सिंह टू एसेड हिज स्टेट। एकोलेट, प्रेज और अप्रूवल। सेरेमनियल एम्ब्रेस। सिनोनिम्स, सिटेशन, सैल्यूटेशन। एग्जाम्पल, क्रिस्टिनो रोनाल्डो हैज़ बीन नोन फॉर हिज बोल्ड स्टेटमेंट्स regarding individuals' accolades. Accusation, a charge of wrongdoing, imputation of guilt or blame. Synonyms, complaint, indictment. Example, another Me Too accusation on Anu Malik. Singer Neha Bhasin accused him of being a sexual predator. Adage, a wise saying, एक बुद्धिमान कहावत। सिनोनिम्स, प्रोवर्ब, बाईवर्ड। एग्जाम्पल, आई लव द ओल्ड एडेज, ए पिक्चर इज वर्थ थाउजेंड वर्ड्स। Admonish, to express warning or disapproval, to give friendly, earnest advice to. Synonyms, rebuke, reproach. Example, I was admonished by my producer for being straightforward. Kangna Ranaut. एफ्लुएंट, एडजेक्टिव के तौर पे जब एफ्लुएंट यूज़ होगा तो उसका मतलब होगा हैविंग एन अबंडेंट सप्लाई ऑफ मनी और पोजेशन ऑफ गुड्स। फ्लोइंग फ्रीली, जब नाउन के तौर पे यूज़ होगा तो ब्रांच फ्लोइंग इनटू मेन स्ट्रीम। सिनोनिम्स है वेल्दी, ट्रिब्यूटरी, ट्रिब्यूटरिटी। एग्जाम्पल, माई फ्रेंड अनन्या इज़ फ्रॉम एन एफ्लुएंट फैमिली सो स्टडिंग अब्रॉड इज़ नॉट ए बिग डील फॉर हर। एगोनिस्ट, expressing pain or agony. Synonyms, anguished. Example, PM recalled the Pulwama attack and said that the nation is agonized and angry at the loss of brave sons of the soil. Apathetic, not interested or concerned. Synonyms, complacent, nonchalant. Example, Khushi is the most apathetic, nonchalant of all of us. Janvi Kapoor in Coffee with Karan. Appalling, causing dismay, shock or disgust. निराशाजनक, सदमा या घृणा करना. Synonyms: abhorrent. Example: Shahrukh Khan visited the acid attack survivor and condemned the incident as unfortunate and appalling. Assiduity: great and constant diligence and attention. महान और निरंतर परिश्रम और ध्यान. Synonyms: industriousness, attentiveness. India was initially cautious as openers Gautam Gambhir and Rahul Dravid choose assiduity over assertion. Assuage: to make unpleasant feeling less severe, to satisfy. Synonyms: alleviate, lessen. Example: one CM, two deputies. BJP's new formula to assuage Shiv Sena. Baffling, extremely confusing and difficult to understand. Synonyms है perplexing, bewildering. Example: Dia Mirza baffled at BCCI for hosting T20 in New Delhi. Bolster, to support or strengthen. Synonyms: reinforce, sustain. Example: IPL 2019 bolstered by David Warner's return. Breach, act of breaking a law, agreement and code of conduct. Gap in wall, barrier or defense. Synonyms: violation, rupture. Example: FB data breach case. Facebook revealed that many app developers may have accessed Facebook users data for months. Cajole, persuade someone to do something by flattery, deceive someone by soothing words. चापलूसी करके किसी को कुछ करने के लिए उकसाना. Synonyms: chaos, wheedle. Example: Ivanka Trump and her team cry, cajole and carp to get her out of the bad press. Calamity, an event resulting in great loss and misfortune. Synonyms: catastrophe, disaster. Example: Captain Amrinder Singh declared natural calamity in Punjab. Candid, openly straightforward, without secretiveness, informal or natural, special, caught off guard and unprepared. गुप्त, अनौपचारिक या प्राकृतिक रूप से सीधे तौर पर किसी बिना किसी पहरे के और सीधे पकड़े गए. Synonyms: ingenious, outspoken. Example: PM Modi and Angela Merkel talks candid and straight. Capricious, determined by chance or impulse rather than by necessity or reason changeable. Synonyms: impulsive, freakish. Example: who will stop Trump's capricious immigration policy. Compelling, driving forcefully, demanding attention, convincing. Synonyms: fascinating, coercive. Example: WWE Roman Reigns is now the most compelling star. Contaminated, made dirty, polluted or poisonous by the addition of chemical waste or infection. Synonyms: corrupt, harm. Example: the Ganga is highly contaminated because of rapid industrialization. Contend, compete for something, engage in a contest, measure oneself against other, to ascertain or to maintain. Come to lunch with. Synonyms: postulate, deal. Example: Rohit Sharma is contended with sporadic captaincy responsibility. Counterfeit, made an imitation of something else with intent to deceive. धोखे देने के इरादे से किसी और चीज़ की नकल करना. Synonyms: fake, forged. Example: Afa said that Amazon is not doing its part to eliminate counterfeit from its store. Cripple, a person who is partially or totally unable to use his one or more limbs. Synonyms: injure, immobilize. Example: permanently crippled by her wounds, Muniba Majari devoted herself to the welfare of the people. dampen, to make slightly wet, make less strong or intense. Synonyms: moisten, diminish. Example: Diwali celebration dampened due to rains in Bangalore. Dangle, hang freely. Synonyms: swing, suspend. Example: Khushi and Janvi were sitting on the edge of the pool, dangling their feet in the water. Daunting, discouraging through fear. Synonyms: intimidating, frightening. Example: Haunted is a daunting movie, dazzling brilliantly or shoyily, bright, colorful or impressive. Synonyms: incandescent, splendid. Example: PM Modi shares dazzling pictures of Kartarpur corridor. डेलिंक्वेंट नाउन के तौर पे इस्तेमाल होगा तो इसका मतलब है यंग ऑफेंडर. डेलिक्वेंट एडजेक्टिव के तौर पे इस्तेमाल होगा तो इसका मतलब है गिल्टी ऑफ मिसडीड, बीइंग ओवरड्यू इन पेमेंट्स, फेलिंग इन व्हाट ड्यूटी रिक्वायर्स. सिनोनिम्स: डेरिलिक्ट, wrongdoer. Example: 30,000 violence. DHBCA has also sought registration of an FIR against the delinquent police official for their criminal acts. Demagogy. Demagogy. A political leader who tries to influence people by making emotional speeches. Synonyms इसके हैं: agitator, instigator. Example: MP Azam Khan is a demagogue. डिमाइश नाउन के तौर पे इस्तेमाल होगा तो इसका मतलब है डेथ, टर्मिनेशन ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस और ऑपरेशन. डिमाइश वर्ब के तौर पे होगा तो ट्रांसफर बाय लीज और बाय विल. सिनोनिम्स हैं इसके: डूम, टर्मिनेशन. एग्जांपल: द डिमाइस ऑफ श्रीदेवी क्रिएटेड ए वैक्यूम इन हर डॉटर्स लाइफ. डिनंसिएशन, पब्लिक एक्ट ऑफ डिनंसिएशन. सार्वजनिक निंदा का कार्य. सिनोनिम्स है: सेंसर, रेप्रीमेंड. एग्जाम्पल: द ब्लेटेंट जर्नलिस्ट मेड ए डिनंसिएशन ऑफ तारा सितारा. डेप्लोरिंग, express strong disapproval of or regret strongly, to feel or express grief. Synonyms: censure, lament. Example: I deplore her habit of wasting time by making TikTok videos. Deprivation, lacking the necessities of life as adequate food and shelter, a removal of rank or office. Synonyms है: privation, despossession. Example: the UN Human Rights Office says it is extremely concerned at rights deprivation in Kashmir. Despondency, feeling downcast, disheartened and hopelessness. Synonyms: melancholy, gloom. Example: Diya Mirza, I sense a growing despondency. It is not a bad thing. Let's convert this anxiety into action. The time to take an hashtag air pollution is now. Destitution, state of having no money or possession. Synonyms: dire straits, poverty. Example: even though I grew up in a destitute condition, it didn't stop me from dreaming big. Ronaldo. Detrimental, causing harm or injury. Synonyms: damaging, prejudicial. Example: the changes introduced in Right to Information Act can be detrimental. Justice Madan Lokar said. Deteriorate, become worse or disintegrate. Synonyms: decline, retrograde. Example: the air quality continued to deteriorate and it is severe category in Delhi. Deterrent, something that makes movement or progress difficult. Example: the capital punishment may act as a deterrent to rapists. Devastated, brought to a state of ruin, destruction. emotionally shattered or distraught. Synonyms: annihilated, desolate. Example: a ransomware attack can devastate your company. Dwindle, becomes smaller or lose substance. Synonyms: shrink, diminish. Example: the population of butterflies dwindle in Pune according to a report. Divergent, tending to move apart in different direction, different interest, views, attitudes. Synonyms: different, conflicting. Example: Congress leader spoke in divergent voice on the Supreme Court verdict in the Karnataka crisis. Disdain, feeling of aversion or antipathy, communication that belittles somebody or something. घृणा की भावना या एंटीपैथी संचार जो किसी या किसी व्यक्ति को परेशान करती है. Synonyms: contempt, scorn. Example: they looked at me with disdain just because the film Chasme Baddoor could not do well. Tapsi Pannu in an interview. Distorted, changed, especially in a way that makes something worse than it was before. Synonyms: contorted, deformed. Example: Kangana blamed Ritik of distorting the facts. Divulge, to disclose or reveal something private. Synonyms: proclaim, disclose. Example: Disha Patani refused to divulge details on her personal life drastically, extremely, in effect, severely, or seriously. Synonyms: substantially, radically. Example: after the success of the film Queen, Kangana Ranaut's life changed drastically. Dwell, to leave, to emphasize or ponder in thought, speech, or writing. Synonyms: abide, stay. Example: I don't dwell on what went wrong. Virat Kohli. Ebullient, very energetic, positive, and happy. Synonyms: exuberant, lively. Example: after taking my power coffee, I transform myself into an ebullient character. Shahid Kapoor. Eloquent, fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Synonyms: articulate, fluent. Example: Sadhguru's speeches are always eloquent and powerful. Emancipation, process of giving people social or political freedoms or rights. Synonyms: freeing, liberation. Example: Muniba Majari has been working for the emancipation disabled people, differently abled people. Embark, to go on abroad vehicle for transportation to make a start. Synonyms: commence, begin. Example: Karina and her husband Saif Ali Khan embarked on their another vacation to Maldives. Emulated, to attempt to equal or surpass by imitation, to compete with. Synonyms: imitate, follow. Example: many girls on TikTok try to emulate Karina's attitude and style. Emphatic, clear and determined in action or speech. Synonyms: vehement, assertive. Engraved, to carve text or symbol into something to impress deeply. Synonyms: inscribe, catch. Example: Ritesh engraved my name on the platinum bracelet. Janelia. Enormous, very large in size. Synonyms: gigantic, mammoth. Entangled, to wrap or twist together, involve in different situations. Synonyms: intervene, complicate. Example: Mamta Kulkarni got entailed in a legal dispute over drug racket. Entrenched, dug in, established firmly or securely. Synonyms: rooted, fixed. Example: don't entrench yourself too much in the work. Envisaged, to form a mental image of something in advance of realization. Synonyms: visualize, conceive. Example: I Envy says, becoming DM of my district one day. Eradicate, to remove or destroy utterly. Synonyms: exterminate, uproot. Example, social evils must be eradicated from the society. Erudite, having or showing knowledge that is gained by studying. Synonyms: scholarly, knowledgeable. Example, Sadhguru Ka Jaggi Vasudeva is an erudite who was born in Mysore, Karnataka. Evacuate, to leave empty, remove from a dangerous place to a safer place. Synonyms: void, expel. Example, we will have to execute this place excerpt, a passage elected from a large work. Synonyms: extract, selection. Exploitation, the use of something in order to get an advantage from it. Synonyms: victimization, profiteering, faltering, move or speak hesitatingly, be unsure or weak. Synonyms: uncertain, weak, hesitant. Example, Tara Sitara walked the ramp without faltering. Feasible, capable of being done reasonably or likely. Synonyms: executable, practicable. Example, this idea is not feasible. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।